Hi, I'm Dheeraj.
Hi, this is Sonal here.
Hi, I'm Aditya.
Hi, I'm Khushbu.
Campus Sutra is all about giving an opportunity to the youth of this country to express themselves. We identified that one of the major needs that people in college, outside college have is to kind of express their identity. Through Campus Sutra, we give them a medium which helps them express what they are, what they feel about life, at what phase of life they are in. So we are basically a medium for expressing identity.
So we can tell them the way, actually Campus Sutra started.
It started the Goa trip actually.
we got the tickets really cheap. We thought, what the hell, let's go and have a good time there. We were sitting discussing.
So we were idle, working. I don't think so. It takes a lot of time. You think you have lots of time for trips. So
yeah, actually, the thing with us was, very bored of our job. Always we wanted to be, an entrepreneur. The stumbling block was that combined salary of the four of us was 1 crore. So it was a big decision to kind of leave that and start something on our own. But then we said, okay, if you don't do it now, we'll never be able to do it. Yeah, I think the best thing about Flipkart was it helped us understand our segment. The people that we wanted to reach. As we all know, most of the youngsters are there online buying. So the last 1 year, the biggest support that Flipkart has given us is to help us understand our customer better, what they want, what price points they are looking at, what is the design that works for them, how we as a brand can kind of connect with them.
We get about 7 to 8 lakh impressions in a week, which is a platform to market yourself at very, very low cost.
And without having a site, just through Flipkart, we have been able to understand how the back end of e-commerce companies work. There are times initially when people from Flipkart, when introduced Flipkart, used to come and spend hours in our office, handhold us literally through each and every process.
Teach us everything. I think this was the only marketplace which gave us formal training. They came here, they trained us on each and every aspect of how to get orders, how to ship it out, how to package them.
Being listed on Flipkart adds a lot of weight, and people see you on Flipkart and then they come and tell you, and you feel really good about it that people nowadays know your brand.
From the west in Jamnagar to east in Tawang and top in Kashmir to
Yes, I think Flipkart is a unifying force across the country.
That's the wow factor.
See, this is what we love about e-commerce. Sitting in Bangalore, we never thought we could cater so many people across India.
In offline, at the max, you can have 3 or 4 collections. It's because of the whole online channel and what kind of Flipkart offers us. We have been able to churn our design every month. We have close to 12,000 SKUs in our portfolio, which is one of the highest that any brand, whether national or international, has in the country.
So with the technology aspect also, you have to innovate. Like Flipkart does. We have started from 200 orders to 4,000 orders per day.
Channel of Flipkart works beautifully. It teaches us a lot as far as how to make your company more lean, better operated.
At the same time, because there are a lot of designs that we've exclusively launched with Flipkart, so that again helps us to get a lot of good publicity for our brand as well. In the starting phase, Flipkart helped us a lot in terms of our garments, what are the flaws that we have. At the same time, work on the sizing so that customers are more satisfied with the products that we provide them.
We are as old as Flipkart. Yeah, I think we started when Flipkart started.
I think for me the biggest help or the biggest inspiration from Flipkart has been that it has helped us think big. When we started with 100 orders a day, we never thought that we'll be at 4,000, which we are today. And now we are looking at growing into a 100 crore company in the next 2 years, which is very, very possible the way our numbers are growing, and then becoming a 1,000 crore company in the next 4-5 years. So 100% fulfillment in the last 6 months. And our account managers say that I think we are the only brand, if not one of the few brands, which have managed to do that.